You're watching Tefen.ca, and this is the hashtag Tiberium Tower video card, the Sapphire Tech ATI Radeon HD 3850 AGP version. So, right now we're going to be putting the heat sinks back onto it. And we'll be using Prolima PK3, it's my favorite thermal compound. Alright. There we go. Now when you're using this thermal compound, make sure to be wearing gloves, because avoid eye and skin contact. They specify that very much so. Alright. So let's start with this little guy here. Now I'd imagine with this part here, you definitely want to make sure you're using a non-electrically conductive thermal compound. There we go, we got them on, and I'll put this on. And there we have it. Well, we got that back on. And now for main GPU part here. Some on the graphic processing unit. In case anyone's wondering, we made sure not to paint the part that's going to be coming in contact with the GPU. There's a few people at least asked about that online, so. And when you do these, it's always good to screw one on and then screw one on the opposite side. And don't screw them on all the way tight right away, just a little bit. And then go back and slowly keep tightening them in a crisscross pattern. Oh, S-H-I-T. And remember not to screw them too tight or too hard, because sometimes these screws are not always what you would expect. This one just busted on me. I'm just going to leave that. Hopefully we're fine. Accidents happen, I guess, yeah. Alright, and now for the fan. And I'm going to be extra safe screwing these ones in very gently this time. I don't feel like cracking and breaking the fan. And there we have it. Sapphire Radeon HD 3850. Modded to have the heat sinks painted yellow for our hashtag Tiberium Tower build. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out more of them, come check out Tefen.ca or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, thanks for watching.